This is not the new iPhone AirPod 3. Slide to unlock. It's wow. Play, pause. No, it's far from it. In fact, it's completely opposite. It's not marked as Apple product anyway, but surely the design does look like something we know very familiar with. I am making adjustments to the volume bar. And like all my episodes, this is not endorsed sponsored in any ways. In fact, I purchased this myself from a local company here. There are even Find My earphones. Can you hear that? I'll disclose the price at the very end, but to be honest, I think this is bang for buck, and I will question why I would pay so much for an AirPod. Now, one disclaimer, I do not encourage buying replica products. This is purely for educational comparison purposes, but I am genuinely keen on discovering what the technology is available to us for the very little cost it is, and why hasn't other companies implemented such applications. Did I just take a photo? Oh wow, I can control the camera with this device. Packaging is very poor quality. There is a spec sheet. We have the product itself, which I'll go through a little bit later on. A USB to USB Type-C cable, and surprisingly some earbuds. This is what it looks like. Slide to unlock. It's wow. So let me pair this first and see how this thing works. So basically, I've paired this with the Bluetooth device already, and it's already connected. I am making adjustments to the volume bar with this device. Turn on camera, okay, and click on shoot. Did I just take a photo? Oh wow, I can control the camera with this device. So just by tapping, it's taking a photo. Now, flashlight, you can open the flashlight. So the screen turns white and becomes a little selfie flashlight. And now I'm gonna press play, pause. Okay, so that paused. And if I go to the next song, I can switch between songs. I can change the volume. Okay, I can also choose different noise reductions. Now, by all means, this is not 100% great. I can still hear the bird noise. There's even equalizer, so you can choose from pop to classic to jazz. There are even Find My earphones with this app. So basically you press and it, can you hear that? It's making a little beep. There is also the option of liking a post. So if you're looking through Instagram, you can click this and it will like a post for you. I have to say the audio quality on this is surprisingly well. Very strong deep bass. So it's not too bad for the price. The LCD screen, color, good size, and responsive enough. It's not 120 Hz, but for this price, I don't really care. The amount of language that's available, the amount of features that's available, I'm just blown out of the water for this. Of course, this is nothing perfect, and this is probably still the first or second generation. The quality of the material, the headphones, feels plastic. The noise cancellation is nearly non-existent. The equalizer seems like just a gimmick. And there are the occasion where it starts playing music on its own, so that's a little bit creepy. But the functions are quite useful. The ability to take photos with just a click of a button. The ability to like your post and swipe between your posts, or your reels, so to say, is very functional. And of course, to adjust the volume and to play music is always welcome. I think this is a great little novelty product. And how much, you ask? Well, I bought this for 89 RMB. Considering how much the AirPod cost, this is really, there's not much to complain. It's connected via Bluetooth. It lacks the functionality of an Apple chip, so it's not going to automatically pair. For the size that's a little bit bigger and bulkier than the AirPod, I think the technology is there. And given the price, I don't think it's expensive to implement at all. So why hasn't Apple done it? Are they taking a safe, conservative approach, or just try to keep their margins up? I'm a big Apple user myself, but from a consumer perspective, I wish there were more innovative ways where we could be excited about the next Apple product. But let me know in the comments what you think, what do you like about it, and maybe what are your ideas on the upcoming Apple AirPods or even the iPhone 16. And then until next time, I'm George. I'm here bringing you all the latest tech, especially from China, unbiased, unsponsored, and unfiltered.